Hello, Danny Brown here from MarineMax in Palm Beach Gardens. We're here today looking at this beautiful trade 2015 540 Sea Ray Sundancer. She's located here at PGA Marina in Palm Beach Gardens. This is a trade that recently came into us. Boat shows very well. Classic Sundancer lines. Let's take a look inside. It's a huge open cockpit. Those two captain's chairs swivel round when you're entertaining. L-shaped seating here. You can put two tables in there. On the starboard side you have refrigerator, ice maker, grill and sink. Another lounger. And up at the helm we have two Raymarine 16-inch hybrid touch screens. It's powered by twin Cummins 600s with 300 hours, joystick docking, teak helm deck area, huge skylight. Let's take a look down below. This is a two-stateroom layout. So coming down the port side stairs, huge long galley, beautiful salon. The VIP stateroom is forward. Complete with ensuite and a separate shower. And then this is the master, again with ensuite and separate shower stall. As I say, this boat is located at PGA Marina in Palm Beach Gardens. Feel free to come by and take a look or give me a call. My name is Danny Brown, 561 800 4339.